How should beginners learn to day trade Bitcoin in early 2026 when the crypto market is flat? Today, we talk about Bitcoin trading in a flat market, when Bitcoin is not falling, not rising, but preparing for a breakout. Right now, Bitcoin is trading around $91,000 to $92,000. The crypto day trading market is in a consolidation phase after a strong move. For months, Bitcoin has been moving inside a wide range, between 84 and 94,000. Analysts say, if price holds above 95,000, the next target is 100,000. If price falls below 90,000, the market may return to 84,000. A big move is coming. But the market has not chosen a side yet. And in moments like this, leveraged Bitcoin trading becomes especially dangerous. In crypto day trading, you should not guess direction. You should trade trading levels. Levels tell you in advance where you enter, where you take profit, and where you place your stop loss. Every Bitcoin trading setup must have 3 points: entry, take profit, stop loss. If you don't know your stop loss and you don't know your target, you don't have a trade, you have a bet. And bets lead to crypto liquidation. Today, Bitcoin is stable, but undecided. The crypto day trading market is asking for discipline. And until a clear trend appears, the main job of every trader is simple: protect capital. That is how you survive in Bitcoin trading. And that is how you learn how to day trade crypto.